Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix can't read from the source file or disk while copying Windows 11. To start, we will right-click on the file or item with error. In the list, select Compress to Zip file. You can see the created file. Now select this file and click Copy. On the desktop, paste this item. After this, right-click on the compressed file and select Open with and then choose the option Windows Explorer. You will see that it opens without any error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.